언제 피는지 그딴 게 뭐가 중요한데 날씨가 언제 풀리는지 그딴 거 알면 뭐 할 건데 추울 땐 춥다고 붙어있고 더우면 덥다고 니네 진짜 이상해 너의 달콤한 남친은 사실 PC방을 더 가고 싶어 하지 겁나 피곤하대 봄이 그렇게도 좋냐 멍청이들아 벚꽃이 그렇게도 예쁘디 바보들아 결국 꽃잎은 떨어지지 니네도 떨어져라 몽땅 망해라 망해라 아무 문제 없는데 왜 나는 안 생기는 건데 날씨도 완전 풀렸는데 감기는 왜 또 걸리는데 추울 땐 추워서 안 생기고 더우면 더워서 인생은 불공평해 너의 완벽한 연애는 아직 웃고 있지만 너도 차일 거야 겁나 지독하게 봄이 그렇게도 좋냐 멍청이들아
Baby, I'm falling head over heels, looking for ways to let you know just how I feel. I wish I was holding you by my side. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause finally it's real. I'm trying to hold back, you ought to know that you're the one that's on my mind. Falling too fast, deeply in love, finding the magic in the colors of you. You're the right time at the right moment. You're the sunlight, keeps my heart going. Whoa, know when I'm with you, I can't keep myself from falling. Right time at the right moment is you. You, it's you. You, it's you.
I find shelter in this way, undercover, hide away. Can you hear when I say I have never felt this way? Maybe I had said something that was wrong. Can I make it better with the lights turned on? Maybe I had said something that was wrong. Can I make
시사봉사단 부회장, 해운대 소문난 박철 대표님입니다. 박희성 가수를 박수로 모시도록 하겠습니다. 네, 박수.
안녕하세요. 반갑습니다.
이쁘다.
많이 기다리셨죠? 박수 치면서 같이 저기 모시는 겁니다. 박수!
자, 우리 옆에 우리 임원들 선물들을 언제나 준비를 하시면 되겠습니다. 네. 박수를 크게.
Starry, starry night. Paint your palette blue and gray. Look out on a summer's day with eyes that know the darkness in my soul. Shadows on the hills. Sketch the trees and the daffodils. Catch the breeze and the winter chills in colors on the snowy linen land. Now I understand what you tried to say to me, and how you suffered for your sanity, and how you tried to set them free. They would not listen, they did not know how. Perhaps they'll listen now. Starry, starry night. Flaming flowers that brightly blaze. Swirling clouds in violet haze reflect in Vincent's eyes of china blue, colors changing hue. Morning fields of amber grain, weathered faces lined